Hello everyone, this is your friend Debayan and welcome to another video of MBA Talks. In this video, I will talk about two small but essential things that indirectly affect your SEO rankings. These two methods are pretty small but are really important for your websites. So if you have your own website, this video is for you. If you are a freelancer looking to build your own website in the future, this video is for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. The first thing I'll be talking about in this video is favicons or favicons. I'm not really sure about the pronunciation. So favicons are the small graphic images at the corner of the tabs when your link is opened. They are 16 into 16 pixel images that mainly contain your logo. Now, why are favicons important? They are important because of branding. Having a logo everywhere helps establish your brand, helps in higher brand recall and brand recognition. If you're not sure what those words mean, I have made a separate video. Do check out the video from the I button. So having a logo everywhere is beneficial for your branding, and Google has given you a chance to improve your branding. So why not use that opportunity? Your logo will be visible to browsers even when they are scrolling through another tab. These favicons appear even in your bookmarks bar. I think favicons are a huge opportunity, and if you haven't installed favicons on your websites, do it now. Also, having a good brand recall will help you bring recurring visitors to your website. I remember when I was doing my initial research while writing about category management, I couldn't remember the names of the websites I visited. So when I was searching for the second time, I was able to recall those websites from their favicons. I couldn't remember the names of the websites I visited, but I always recalled familiar favicons and always clicked on them. Now, why did this happen? Because I had previously consumed their content. Because I found value from their content during my first visit, I had a trust in them, and I had a trust in their website and the kind of content they put in. Now, what happened after I had their trust? I was able to go back to their site. The sites were able to invite me back because of their branding that they had done through favicons. So if you are thinking favicons are just another ignorable part of your website, then it is time for you to change that thought, because favicons are important. There could be many visitors like me who visited a particular website because they were able to recall the logo from the favicons, or there could be many website visitors who could not revisit your website because you did not have favicons, or they were unable to recall your brand logo. So having favicons is always important for your website, and I repeat, if you haven't yet installed favicons, do it now. Also, I must tell you that there were few favicons that I avoided while doing research for my category management, because the content they had was filled with fluff and they didn't really provide any value to me. So I avoided their content. I avoided visiting their content. But I believe, because you are visiting this channel, because you're watching this video, I believe you are here to provide value to your customers, value to your target market, and your content will be able to solve their issues. So having favicons will actually benefit you and your website. You can have separate favicons for different web browsers. Some search engines like Bing show favicons on their SERPs too. Google doesn't, but Bing does it. So the visitors from Bing will have an even greater recall through favicons. So now you know the importance of favicons and why I'm urging you again and again to install favicons. These are really small, ignorable pieces. Even I didn't know about favicons until like a few days back, and when I learned about the importance, I decided I need to share this with you all, and which is why I'm making this video. Also, if you are liking this video so far, if you are liking my efforts that I put in to bring videos for you, then please hit the like button. It really helps in telling the algorithm that my video is valuable, and it helps my video to reach a larger audience. The next thing you need to focus on is breadcrumbs. Now, what are breadcrumbs? They are the small text-based paths that show where the searchers are on their website. Breadcrumbs also appear in their SERPs. Even Google has breadcrumbs. Google has the text path in their search results. Now, breadcrumbs have many advantages. Breadcrumbs help the navigator know where they are in a particular page and help them search for their query in a much more easier way. It also helps Google or other search engines understand your website structure. This step helps in your search engine optimization, So essentially, breadcrumbs help you achieve two important things. One, it improves your user experience. Two, it makes your visitors stay longer. If you have watched my previous video on SEO strategies 2021, you must have learned that user experience bring in more and more traffic to your website, and that indirectly tells the algorithm, the search engine, that your website is worthy. And if the visitors stay on your website for a longer period of time, it helps in improving your bounce rate and dwell time. So if you want to know what those terms are, you can check out my previous video also from the I button. With an improved bounce rate and dwell time, your SEO ranking, your search engine ranking is going to improve. So breadcrumbs are an easy way to guide your visitors, guide the search engine through your website, and many websites do not have breadcrumbs. If your website is one of them, then please install the same on your website. Because you follow my channel, I don't want you to fall behind because of these simple avoidable mistakes. So go ahead and set your website right. Go ahead and set your favicons. Go ahead and set your breadcrumbs for every page in your website. So that was the video. If you found my content useful, do subscribe to my channel as I keep coming up with more and more marketing and business related content for you. If there is any topic that you would like me to cover, do mention the same in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Keep marketing.